Last one, modify the script to load and then convert Canada also and add to the plot of Germany and thing. So what they are saying, instead of loading this data, I am going to load. They are asking us to load from that file. So load and changing it INTL gas prices. I'm going to load this. So first thing I have done. So I'm running this first line of code. I have loaded. Okay, I have loaded. So the contains the Germany as well as of many other countries. Modify the script to convert Canada and plot along with the Germany. One more thing we are going to do for Canada. So I am Canada equal to gallium to liter into Canada. And I'll run this code just to see if there is no errors. Then I'm going to plot this Canada also. So what you should do, you should use hold on. One more plot command you should give plot year comma Canada. Maybe to differentiate, I will give the Canada in green so that we will differentiate between Australia, Germany, and Canada. Now, if you run, you see here, you have one more graph, but you have to cross check here because MATLAB only has to say whether the thing is correct or not. Yes, you see here, it is checking for each thing and saying whether it is correct or not. And here we have modified in 3 places. I have modified the data in load data. I have run that separately. I have modified in convert prices. I have run that separately. I have modified in plot results. I have run that separately. Usually in MATLAB, we'll be doing everything in a single stretch and then run. But here, when you run it separately, any task, any error you have, you can immediately debug that. That is possible. See here, code type live editor window is executed immediately, true or false. So whatever you type in live editor, it is executed immediately, true or false. What's the answer, true or false? Answer is true. We'll try true. I don't think. Live editor is as usual your normal editor, right? It does not have any special thing. Only thing, what is specialty of live editor? I am going to run the code as individual blocks. So as and when you type, the code is not getting executed. So the answer is going to be false. Where live editor will not execute your commands immediately. It will execute the commands as a block. And remember, it will not execute your commands immediately. So now, whatever your basic commands, variable declaration you use in your conventional MATLAB program, same thing you can use. So whatever variables you declare, see here, it will be available in the workspace. So here I showed you the workspace, right? So whatever value you run, it will be immediately available in the work. That is what they are given here. The scripts can use the variable in the same workspace. So they will refer to workspace for the variables. And once you run the script, that portion of the script alone will be run and the workspace will be modified. And you will see the updated value of variables in the workspace. Okay. So don't think live scripts are something very new and different. No. Yes. Answer this quiz question for me. If the value of the variable P is 500 before the following script is run, what will be the value after running the script? Same. Maybe I log A as running the script will produce error. We'll see whether it is correct. No. 500. No. See, already P value is 500 in the workspace, right? Upon executing, P will be 500 plus 1 to be 501. So this value 501 will be updated in your workspace. Any queries? I think this is very simple programming. It's very simple, right? So P is already 500. So once I execute P is equal to P plus 1, P will be 501 that will be stored in your workspace. That is what is shown here. So this is a summary of how to create and run live script, whatever we have seen so far.